content needs everyone in daily life, whether learning or teaching. So what could be the content? Video, audio, text, and image. What would it be like if there was an easily accessible software for all types of content through which we could do all our work? Go to app.simplified.com. Here, you can sign up using Gmail or Facebook. Alternatively, you can also sign up manually using your Gmail and password. After sign up, you can see design, video, AI writing, social media. Choose whatever you want. I choose design, then select generate with AI. Here you can see text to image, AI presentation, social media quotes. Select text to image. You can see different types of AI creating images. If you still want to create your own AI image according to your requirements, just write your requirements here and AI will create an image for you accordingly. Once you select an image, from now on, you can download it from here and use it, or you can directly use it in your design through Try It below. Browse template. If you enter here, select purpose. We'll look whatever you want, choose and use. If you go video, you can view their video templates and customize them to make them suitable for you. In addition, you can also make videos by watching their training videos. You can focus on writing by clicking Start Writing using AI. You can write anything, whatever you want, such as articles, paragraphs, product descriptions, product titles, reviews, emails, YouTube descriptions, scripts, and more. I have selected YouTube video description as an example. Here's wrote. Write a description about AI, then generate. Based on this, AI generate a short and beautiful description. The most interesting thing is that this site has a separate AI section where you can quickly perform all AI-based tasks such as AI image generator, color palette generator, any object eraser tool, video to GIF converter, remove image background, convert video, convert image, and more. On the home page, there are options for search, project, and assets. You can use the search option to find what you need on this website, or to do whatever you want to accomplish through this website. Once you go to the social media, you will see awesome templates and themes, which you may like mostly. You will find various types of designs here that you can use, and also customize if you want. When you go to settings, you will find here your account, workplace, templates, and all the tasks you have done or used. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out. Subscribe to our channel now to get more new videos.